Happy birthday, darling. How many days do you have, darling? Only 3 days. No, we must find you a husband at once. Ready to choose?
No, this isn't fair. I don't know any of these men.
You can get to know them after you've been wed. Now pick one. Alright, let's see. Not him. But definitely not him.
What?
Next.
But I...
And let me guess, this one has a great personality. You have offended all the princes.
Wow, that was one brutal elimination.
And who might you be?
Prince Nathaniel. But don't worry, I'm not here to ask you for your hand in marriage.
Then why are you here?
Mostly for entertainment.
Aren't you from the rival kingdom?
Indeed I am, and I can't wait to tell my father how hot-headed your daughter is.
Aubrey, don't. All the princes rejected you.
Good, I do not wish to marry any of them.
If you do not wed in 3 days, you shall die.
Are you certain that if I don't marry in 3 days, I shall die?
Yes. You'll have to say yes to the first man who proposes.
No, that isn't fair.
Life isn't fair, darling. I can't do this. You must! I will not lose you like I lost your father. You must find a husband. Do you understand?
Mother, I think my corset is a bit too tight.
Aubrey, to meet a good suitor, you must look as fitted as possible. Hello, princess. Would you care to dance? That was fun. Shall we dance again?
Oh, actually, I'm a bit thirsty.
Say no more. I shall fetch you a drink, your highness.
Pardon me. I didn't mean to startle you.
You weren't invited.
The invitation said all eligible princes were welcome. Are you alright?
My corset, it's too tight. My corset, it's too tight.
Hang on, I'll help you. Is that better?
Yes, thank you.
Princess? What exactly was happening over here?
It is not what it looks like.
I was simply helping her with her dress.
You two were being scandalous.
No!
We don't even like each other.
I'm so telling everyone.
You can't just go around spreading rumors about us.
You could marry her and restore your dignity, or...
Is there a second option?
You could also pay me to keep quiet.
I can't believe we paid her so much money.
This is all your fault.
My fault. You're the one who...
Princess, there you are. I must ask you a question. Will you, Princess Aubrey, marry me? Your mother insisted I ask you tonight. So, what do you say, Princess?
Yes.
Excellent. We shall be married tomorrow, and you shall be saved from death.
Nathaniel, why are you here?
I came to congratulate you on your engagement.
You know, for a guy who doesn't like me, you sure show up at my palace a lot.
Are you implying that I might have feelings for you?
I would do no such thing, Your Highness, unless, of course, it was true.
I think you've mistaken my generosity for affection.
You are far from generous.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
I'll have you know I can be very generous.
All right, then prove it.
All right. I will.
You kissed me.
I would never. I am a gentleman.
A gentleman does not kiss another man's bride. You have to marry me.
No, Aubrey, I can't.
Is it because we are rivals?
No. I have to go.
Now, after we are wed, I want the princess taken care of. I shall pay for you to do this. We have postponed the wedding long enough.
He's trying to kill me.
Enough of your nonsense. You shall be married tonight. And do you take Prince Frederick to be your husband?
Stop the wedding. That man is a fraud.
Nathaniel, someone get this fool out of here.
The only fool here is you. Prince Frederick is not who he claims to be. In fact, he's not a prince at all.
It's true. You were just using her to become royalty. No! I am a man of honor.
No, Frederick. What you are is a word I dare not say in front of the Queen.
Aubrey, I'm so sorry. You are almost out of time. Who shall you marry?
Marry me.
But I thought...
I made a vow to never marry because I didn't believe in love. That was until
what?
Until I met you. So I ask you, Aubrey, will you join our kingdoms together and marry me?
Yes. I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
Why am I on a beach? I must have gone too hard last night if I don't even remember where I'm at. That guy over there is like not moving. I should probably check if he's okay. Hello, sir. Are you okay? Dude, yo. Maybe he'll wake up if I slap him. Ooh, that was a lot of water. Are you okay?
You just saved my life.
Oh, no, I was just walking by. Was that a mermaid?
Forget about that. I'm in love with you. You've saved me.
I was not supposed to find you.
What? What are you talking about?
Nothing.
You have to come meet my father. I can show him I finally found a wife.
I'm sorry, wife?
I'm Prince Eric, and I would love for you to be my princess.
I can't get married to you.
What? You have to marry me. That's how the story goes. Oh, there you are. Good morning, dork.
I am not a dork.
Whatever you say. Hey, do you think my new haircut looks dumb? I don't like it.
I think it looks really good.
Right, you have to say that because you're my best friend.
That's not true. You look great. Did you hear that we're getting a new student too?
Yeah, we haven't had a new student in so long.
I know. I wonder who it's gonna be.
Class, everyone meet Macy. Whoa, she's so pretty.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey Macy, you should come over here. Take a seat next to us. Hi guys. My name's Jason and this is Bailey.
Nice to meet you.
You should come sit with us at lunch. Would that be okay?
Yeah, for sure. Good morning. You didn't leave a seat open for me.
Oh, my bad. I kind of forgot.
I'll see ya at lunch then.
Yeah, whatever. Macy, what were you saying? Girl, you better tell him that you love him.
I don't love him.
Are you sure about that?
Dropped this.
Oh, thank you. I don't even own a TV. Whatever, I guess I'll just throw this away. What is this? I guess the only way to find out is to push one. Now I just have to figure out what that exactly caused. Why did all those people freeze at the exact same time? Does this pause time? Oh, I'm gonna get some good use out of this.
Everyone, please put your phones away for the test.
I forgot about the test. I know what to do. Just gonna steal the answer key real quick, don't mind me, sorry. Play.
You may now begin. You have 1 hour. Hey, can I talk to you?
What's up, babe?
Yeah, so I'm sorry, but I have to break up with you.
What? Just 1 second. Hey, babe.
Oh, hey, what's up?
I'm breaking up with you.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, bye.
Ready for your curse, honey?
I'm scared.
Remember, mine was just that I couldn't eat candy, and after you kiss your soulmate, your curse goes away.
So, once you kissed Mommy, you could eat candy?
Yep, she would be so proud of you.
I miss her.
Me too. You can't tell anyone about your curse. Alina, meet your new stepmother. Shake my hand, don't just stand there. She needs to learn manners. This is my daughter Gretel. Ooh, I love your necklace. You should just give it to me. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Well, that sucks for you. It's mine now. You're going on a business trip for 5 months? You'll be fine. No, you cannot leave me alone with these two Stop. Hold your tongue. You were not about to call them that. Okay, let it go. Look, by the time I come back, you'll probably have met your soulmate and your curse will be broken. I highly doubt that. So, have you kissed your soulmate?
No, I haven't.
I think my soulmate's the prince. I'll be kissing him soon.
Good for you.
So what's your curse?
I'm actually not really allowed to say.
Literally just say it, my gosh.
I have to do everything that I'm told.
Mother, did you hear that? You're joking. Pat your shoulder. Mother, she wasn't kidding. Pull your hair.
Ow! Listen, you guys, this curse is not a joke. You can't just
Stop talking. From now on, you're going to do exactly as we say. Pour me some more tea. Give me a back massage. Buy us some milk. And hurry.
I'm back. The milk is in the fridge.
What's up with you?
Nothing.
Alina, tell us why you're happy. Go on, speak.
When I was at the market, I saw the prince, and I'm pretty sure he's my soulmate and he can break my curse.
What? How do you know the prince is your soulmate?
Tell us! We know you can't resist. Someone told me to go find my soulmate, and after they said that, I went straight to the prince and held his hand.
And what exactly did he say to you?
He told me he wanted to see me again, but then his guards came and they didn't let me talk to him anymore.
Of course they wouldn't let you talk to him. You're a peasant and he's a prince.
Mother, you told me the prince was my soulmate. He's supposed to kiss me and break my curse, not hers.
Remember, she has to do everything she's told. So we'll just tell her, you are forbidden to ever kiss the prince.
No.
Alina, get the door. Alina.
Your Highness.
I just had to see you again. I had my guards find out where you live.
Listen, I need your help with my curse. My stepmother, she's controlling
Your
me.
Highness! Hi! Ignore her. She's our maid. You're not their maid, right? Of course she is. Tell him you're our maid.
I'm their maid.
Listen, I need to speak to Alina alone. But Your Highness.
You heard the prince, stepmother. He wants to speak to me alone.
Of course. Just don't listen to a word he tells you. So you need help breaking your curse?
What?
Alina, listen to me. You need me to break your curse.
Right, yes, my curse.
You still haven't told me what it is. But it doesn't matter, because I'm almost positive I'm your soulmate. So, I should just...
You are forbidden to ever kiss the prince.
Oh. Okay, well, that hurt.
I'm so sorry.
You don't want me to kiss you?
No, I didn't mean to do that. I forgot that I wasn't allowed to...
Look, it's alright. Maybe we just aren't soulmates after all. Maybe we're not soulmates.
No, Your Highness, wait. My curse, it's...
You can't tell anyone about your curse. It's what?
I can't tell you unless you tell me to say it.
I'm such an idiot. Your curse, it's to do everything you're told, isn't it?
Yes.
Wait, but then why did you slap me?
You are forbidden to ever kiss the prince.
Oh.
You have to tell me to kiss you.
Oh, okay. Well then, Oh!
Stepmother, you just knocked out the prince!
Yes, I did. And with any luck, he'll wake up with amnesia and forget all about you.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can. And you both are getting locked down here. Go to sleep.
No.
Goodbye. Oh, Alina? Alina, wake up! Hey. Alina, kiss me.
Tell me to do something.
Jump up and down. Hey!
It worked. I'm free.
Yes, we're soulmates. Your Highness, we received your distress signal. Let go of us, you fools! Alina, attack the guards!
Yeah, that's not gonna work anymore.
No, you kissed the prince?
Yeah, I did, and it was really nice. Also, I'll be taking this back.
You know I loved you, right, Alina?
Goodbye, stepmother.
Wait! No! Sorry, ladies. Alina is making her own choices now.
Come on, make me something good. A penguin and a backpack? No freaking way! I love this!
I got a magic wallet that gives me money.
That is so cool.
I know, right? What'd you get?
I got a penguin backpack, but I don't really know what it does yet.
I'm gonna go get some food. See you.
Okay, bye. Man, I really wish I had some water. Whoa, is it just me or did this thing get heavier? No way, there is like a bunch of waters in here. This backpack must grant wishes. Okay, let's just test this again. I wish for $100 in 20s. This is amazing. I'm home. I wish for some headphones.
Hey, sis, what's this? Aren't you kind of old to have a stuffed animal backpack?
Give it back.
Wait a minute, what's inside of here? Hey, how'd you get all this money? Did you steal this money?
No, it was my magic gift. It grants me wishes.
Yeah, right, prove it.
Alright, I wish for a necklace.
Nothing happened.
I must have to be holding on to it for it to work.
Nice try. I know you're stealing money. You probably think you're so cool, but you're not. Ugh.
Oh yeah? How about now, Benson?
That's it. Where are you?
I wish to be at a friend's house. I really hope you can do that.
Whoa, hey.
Oh, hey, Chad.
How'd you get in here?
Your back door was open.
Sweet. I was wondering if you wanted to come to prom with me.
Yeah.
I gotta check on something. Be right back.
Okay. He asked me to prom, but I don't even have a dress. Wait. I wish for a red dress that's kind of fitted, but not too fitted. You know what I mean, Penguin. Just work your magic. Oh my gosh, yes, this is perfect. I should also wish for some accessories and...
Hey, there's some cops in the front of my house, and they say they're...
Girls, the letters from your soulmates have arrived. One for you, Franny,
Yay.
and one for you, Olivia.
Thank you, Mother.
Is there one for me? Why, yes, dear. This is yours. It's empty.
How fitting.
What is that supposed to mean?
The only person who could love you is...
No one. There has to be some sort of mistake. There's not even a stamp on this envelope. The king himself sends out these letters. Are you questioning his authority? No, there has to be a note for me or something.
Mother, you have something for her.
Oh, well, as a matter of fact, I do. What's this? A list of chores that need to be completed. You shall not eat until they're done. So get to it. Ah, no. My letter. She threw it away? It has the royal stamp on it, which means my soulmate letter is from the prince. I look forward to seeing you at the royal ball. Sincerely, Prince Anthony. My soulmate is the prince. No one can know about this. Brielle, pour me my tea. Yes, ma'am.
Mother, we have nothing to wear to the ball. We need some more dresses.
You have plenty of dresses that you can wear.
Don't be selfish.
What did you just say?
Ooh, she's gonna get it now. You should apologize to Mother.
That wasn't my fault. She pushed me. You idiot. I am so sorry. Come here. You're staying in here tonight. No, please. Please let me out. Hello? Anyone?
Brielle, wake up.
Olivia? What are you doing? I'm gonna help you.
Oh, another day, another charge. What? Mom, I need to borrow your charger.
No, I'm using it.
I'm only at 10%. I'm going to die.
Here, hurry up.
It's not working. Let's try this.
That's the emergency charger.
This is an emergency. It didn't work. There must be something wrong with my charging port.
Did I hear something wrong with the charging port? Hold still.
Hold what? What happened? You made it worse. I'm at 2% now.
There's one more thing we can try. Come with me.
Wait.
So, you need more charge?
Yeah, my dad says you know what to do.
I have just the thing.
Dad, this guy seems sketchy.
Put this to your charging port, and whatever you do, don't move.
Wait, why can't I move?
No questions, just do it.
I am tired of getting electrocuted.
Look at your energy.
200%? But that's not even possible. I have so much energy. I feel so great. My energy hasn't went down all day. Not even 1%.
That's great, but maybe you should take a break, Brianna.
Not a chance. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I feel great.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes, I really do. My energy is at its max, and I am loving it. Woo!
Honey.
Oopsies.
Uh-oh, you got a mark. 5 mistakes and you're out.
Out? Like...
Yes, exactly. 2 plus 2. Brianna, what's the answer?
I can't answer it. I don't want to make a mistake. I know the answer. It's 3.
That was Timmy's 5th mistake. 5 mistakes and you're out. Brianna, hold this.
What is wrong with you? Why did you give that to me to hold when I wasn't ready?
Chill out. It's no big deal.
No, I can't chill out. I have 2 marks now. 3 more and I'm out.
Giving her that to hold was a mistake. What? How is that a mistake? Was it a mistake? Brianna, if you agree, I'll take away one of your marks. Was it a mistake? Brianna, if you agree, I'll take away one of your marks. No, that's my last mistake. You still have 3 left.
It was her mistake, not mine.
Hey, guys.
You can't sit with us.
Why not?
The reason Sophie's dead. You let her die so you didn't get another mark.
Why should I get a mark? I wasn't the one who made a mistake. 5 marks and you're out.
You're so selfish. Your shoelaces aren't tied.
Why would you do that?
Sir, she made a mistake. She forgot to tie her shoelaces and then she tripped.
What? No, you tripped me.
You're now the school's target. That's what you get for killing Sophie. You're gonna be next.
Ooh.
Hey, you can't touch anything.
Why not?
You can only touch 3 things today.
I don't understand what the big deal is.
You have to save them in case of an emergency, okay?
I'm sure it'll be fine.
You can only touch your own body or things you're already wearing.
I know.
Everyone take out your textbooks and open to page 3.
I can't.
You can't touch anything again today, Bailey.
Just how it is. I'm sorry.
You can follow along with what we're doing on the board. Hey, do you think you can hand me a pencil by any chance?
No, I'm sorry.
Why not? I can see that you can touch 3 things. Just use one of them.
No, I'm sorry. Just ask someone else.
I want you to do it.
Hey, what are you doing? Let go of me.
Look, it's not that hard. Bitch, did you just slap me?
Yes.
You're gonna regret doing that.
Reason? Reason of what?
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. You have to pick the reason you die.
I don't want to choose the reason that I die.
You have to. We all do.
Well, it's definitely not going to be by drowning. I'm going to pick the most painless one that I can.
Good luck. I don't think any of the options are good.
Murder? Oh my god, that's way worse. No. Can this give me an option that doesn't suck brutally?
Bailey!
Whoa, sis, what's wrong?
I didn't pick a reason in time and it picked one for me.
What? It picked one for you?
Apparently you only get 3 choices.
I didn't know that.
I'm so scared to ever get into a car again.
I'm so sorry.
Be careful with your choices, okay?
I will. Please just give me something painless. I don't remember anything that happened last night. Where am I right now?
Welcome to your escape room. You must complete 5 tasks in order to leave.
What? I don't want to play this game.
You must play.
Let me out of here.
If you fail to complete all 5 tasks, you will not be making it out alive.
What can you hold in your right hand but not your left? I don't know. My left hand. That wasn't so bad. There is no way I am doing that. Please just let me out of here. Okay, that hurts. What now? How am I supposed to give myself a tattoo? No.
Come on, give me an X. Oh, no, no, no. I cannot be a hider. My whole family are seekers.
Concealer, please don't fail me now. Okay, let's see your mark. Yes, I knew it. Our girl is a seeker. Now we can finally tell you how the game works. So, of course, there's hiders and there's seekers, but everyone wants to be a seeker. The hiders are given a certain amount of time to hide, and then we get to go find them.
When you find the hiders, do you...
No, honey.
Okay.
We knock them out, and then we trade them in for money.
What?
If you turn in a family member that's a hider, you get $1 million.
Well, I mean, that's kind of stupid because family members, they are worth a lot more than money, right?
I'd turn your butt in 5 seconds. Honey.
What?
You're sweating. No. You okay?
No, I actually think that I might be bleeding, so I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. Ah, shit, I knew it. The makeup came off.
What the?
Ellie.
No. You're a hider.
I can explain.
You little liar. I'm telling Mom and Dad. Kim's a hider.
What?
What? She faked your mark. I'm sorry. Why would you do that?
Because I was scared.
Attention. The game has begun. All hiders now have 2 hours to find a hiding spot. Go hide.
No.
You have to. Just don't let us find you. But hide now, damn it. Get out of here. This is my spot.
I don't know where to hide. All the flights are booked and all the buses are filled.
What am I gonna do? Shh. Listen, you're about to get caught. Hey, I said you're about to get caught. Come on, let's go.
You're a seeker. You're trying to trick me.
This mark is fake. If I were a real seeker, you'd be knocked out by now. Just play along.
What?
Shh, don't say anything. Well, what do we have here? You caught a hider, huh? Yeah, she was a hard one to find, but I finally caught her. We were just leaving, actually. Nah, she's not going anywhere. Don't touch her.
Are hiders allowed to fight back?
No, not really. Run!
Oh, shit.
Quick, in there!
Whoa, wait, what is that?
An underground tunnel I made. Now come on!
I am not going down there. I don't even know if I can really trust you.
I've gotten you this far, haven't I? We have to go now. We'll be safe down here.
Why are you helping me?
Because you... Who gave you that necklace?
My sister.
Get rid of that necklace. Your sister is tracking you.
No, she wouldn't.
Oh, yes, she would. We need to keep moving.
No.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I want to know why you came out of nowhere like some ninja and saved me, but you don't even know me.
It's because you remind me of my sister who got traded in by my family.
They traded in your sister for $1 million?
Yeah, and from then on, I've been trying to protect all the hiders I can.
What was that?
They found my tunnel. I'll distract them, you run.
No, I'm not gonna leave you.
Yes, you are. I'm not losing another girl on my watch. Now go!
Ellie?
Found you. You're it.
Oh.
Sorry, sis. That necklace led me right to you. Time to get my million. Nighty-night, Kim. Time to get my money.
Where am I? And what am I wearing?
We're in Hider prison, and that's our uniform. They think we're related.
Really?
I mean, we do kind of look alike, I guess.
You remind me of my sister who got traded in by my family.
Do you have a brother that's a hider? Yeah, why? Because I think I know him. He tried to save me, but my sister turned me in. He is so worried about you. There has to be some way out of here. After you get caught, you have the option to end the game, but if you do, you die. Someone has to sacrifice themselves to save everyone else. That's why no one ends the game. I'll do it. My whole family turned against me, so I really have nothing, and you deserve to be with your brother. No.
Want to end the game?
It'll be okay. No, please.
Congratulations, your bravery has made you leader.
Our marks are gone.
You pick the next game.
Here's your lunch.
Thank you. What is this?
Hurry now, you don't want to be late for school.
Mom, you've kissed that many people?
Excuse me?
Gross.
Hey, bestie.
Hey. No way. You haven't had your first kiss yet?
What are you talking about? I've definitely had my first kiss.
Come on, it's me. You can tell me the truth.
I am telling the truth. I've kissed like 6 guys.
Okay. I believe you.
I'm telling the truth. Hey, baby.
Babe. 15? Ooh, well, as long as they were before he met me, I guess.
Good morning, baby. I got you flowers.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
Anything for you. Is everything okay? What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. I'll see you later, okay?
Love you.
Bestie, I really need to talk to you about something. You see, my boyfriend... No way. Bestie, you've had your first kiss?
I already told you, I had my first kiss a long time ago. I've kissed tons of guys.
Why do you keep lying to me?
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Isn't it? Hey, do you know where Brianna is? She's been avoiding me all day. No clue.
Bestie, could you be honest with me for once? Did you kiss my boyfriend? Because I saw that your kiss count went up and his kiss count went up.
First of all, how do you know our kiss counts? And no, I didn't kiss your boyfriend. I don't even like men. That's why I've been lying, saying I've kissed a bunch of guys. I was nervous about coming out, and I didn't want to tell you this way.
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to know who my boyfriend cheated on me with.
Good morning, Mom. I spy with my little eye my mom.
Here, take your vision blocking glasses.
I spy with my little eye these vision blocking glasses.
Wear them as much as you can, so you don't have to say I spy all the time. I barely take mine off.
I spy with my little eye the ground. I spy with my little eye the bush. I spy with my little eye the bus.
Class, can anyone tell me why the earth is flat? My eyes are so itchy. My glasses, where'd they go?
Timmy, say I spy.
I spy with my little eye a beautiful girl named Brianna.
Chad, is that you?
Of course it's me. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those.
I spy with my little eye Chad. Give me back my glasses.
No way. I lost mine. Catch me if you can.
I spy with my little eye the wall. I spy with my little eye Chad. I spy with my little eye my vision blocking glasses.
Hey, give them back.
No, they're mine. And if you have your eyes open, you need to say I spy.
I spy with my little...
Chad? Chad?
Attention everyone. For population control, you may no longer wear your vision blocking glasses or keep your eyes closed for an extended period of time. Anyone who breaks these rules will be killed.
I spy with my little eye.
Hey, loser.
What? I'm assuming that was for a task. What number are you on?
I just got into the 90s.
Haven't you heard? The last 10 tasks are impossible.
I'm sure I'll be fine.
Slap someone?
Too easy.
Hey girl, can I ask you a favor? Yeah, sure. What the heck?
Sorry.
No, you're good. Just remember you owe me one. Hey Giselle, have you heard about Brandon?
No.
His 95th task was to break someone's arm.
And he did that for some money?
Yeah, he did, but the thing that scares me is the whole school is going into the 90s now. Things are gonna get crazy.
Stab someone? There's no way I'm doing that.
Hey Giselle.
Jess, hey.
Remember I said you owe me one?
Stab someone? There's no way I'm doing that.
Hey Giselle.
Jess, hey.
Remember I said you owe me one?
What is it?
I need to flick your forehead for a task.
Thank gosh. I thought you would have to, break my arm or something.
Relax, I'm not even in the 90s yet. I do have to tell you something important though.
What's up?
I can't tell you here. We have to go somewhere private. Okay, maybe I can tell you here.
Jessica, you're scaring me. Just tell me.
A group of guys are working together on the tasks to split the cash. Oh my gosh, there they are.
What do we do?
Run, we have to hide. We have to protect ourselves. Here, take this.
Scissors?
You never know what's gonna happen. You guys really thought you could hide from me?
What do I do?
Giselle, do anything, quickly.
I just stabbed him.
You two really thought you could hide from me?
Jessica, what do I do?
Giselle, do anything, quickly.
No, I just stabbed him.
It's okay, let's just get out of here, it's not safe. Okay, Giselle, what's your next task?
My next task is to kill someone. And it's already been checked off. Wait, did I kill him back there?
I mean, you probably did. Come on, let's go. Okay, I think we can stay in this room for a bit.
How are you so calm about this?
There's something you don't know. I've tried to complete the 100 tasks before.
Do you mean you've done this before?
Yes, but I failed, so now I'm gonna help you. What's your next task?
To shoot someone.
Okay, here, take this.
How do you have a gun?
Because I already knew this was gonna be the next task. We have to leave, they found us. We're not gonna be able to outrun them, you have to shoot them. Giselle, do it. We're not gonna be able to outrun them, you have to shoot them. Giselle, what are you waiting for? Do it.
I just shot someone.
Okay, come on, we have to get out of here.
No, I can't believe I just did that.
Snap out of it and stay calm. What's your next task?
Next task is to break someone's arm.
Okay, come on, let's go. What are you doing? Please don't hurt me.
I can't.
The longer you take, the more painful it's gonna be. Just do it. Come on, Giselle, you have to finish this.
I'm on the last task. This is almost over.
I mean, it's not quite over yet. Check the last task.
What are you doing? Put the gun down.
You thought you were gonna win?
Jessica, how could you?
Whoa, she has 100 lives.
I wish I had 100 lives. I'd have so much fun.
Hey, Brianna, do you want to come jump off buildings with us later?
No, I'm super busy. I'll pass today. Thank you, though.
Come on, you have so many lives, you should use them.
She has so many lives and she doesn't even use them.
That's so boring. If I had that many lives, I would not be like her. Did you want to come drowning with us?
Not today, sorry.
Are you sure? It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm sure. Hello?
Honey, come quick. We were in a terrible accident. Your sister's in critical condition. She's not going to make it. She'll need at least 99 lives to survive. But honey, you only have 1 life left.
And that's all I need. Just do it. Hey, you're awake.
Yes, Sissy, I feel so much better. Where'd your lives go? You have to cover up your 1 life, or people will see you as a target.
A target?
Yes, they see people with 1 life as weak and want to eliminate them all. Why'd you cover up your lives?
I was just sick of everyone bringing up how many lives I have. I just thought covering them up would be easier.
You know, most people that cover up their lives only cover it up because they only have 1 life and they're scared.
Last time you saw me, I had 100 lives. How would I lose lives that fast? You know I never use them.
Hey man, we should wipe that makeup right from our forehead and see how many lives she truly has. Good idea. It's against the law to cover up your lives anyways, and we don't want any 1-lifers hanging around here. Whoa, Brianna, are you okay?
Yeah, it's just really hot in here.
Brianna, you only have 1 life left? I knew it. Let's get her! How many words did you get this year? 0? That's even less than last year. It's okay, baby. Don't be upset. How about I take you shopping? It will cheer you up. You like that dress? Alright, let's go buy it then. Oh, you want to try it on first? Alright, let's go. I'm very sorry, sir, but it's only 1 person per change room. No, I have to come with her. She's gonna need help with the zipper. Don't worry, sir. I'll be there to help her with that. Please wait here. Oh, it looks like you got the zipper just fine on your own.
Help me.
Help you? Do you know that man? Here, I'll donate some words to you. I contacted the police. They're already on their way. You tell them everything when they get here, okay? Wait right here. I'll be right back. What did I hear about the police? Let's go. We're going home. How could you do that to me? You're trying to leave me? That's it. No food for a week. I'm so sorry I had to take away your food, baby. You know I love you, but you trying to run away really broke my heart.
快手，拥抱每一种生
Really?
活。
Is that how it is? No water today. Listen to me, baby. If you apologize, I'll give you your water privileges back. Police, open up!
I'm in here!
See how much mommy and daddy love me, or see how much are in their bank account? I already know mommy and daddy love me, so let's see how much money they have. Wow, they have $1 billion? I must be getting a lot of Christmas presents this year.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. What else did you get me?
That's it, Pumpkin. We didn't get you anything else. Mommy and Daddy are very poor.
But I see that you have a lot of money.
There must have been a mistake. Don't sound spoiled. Be grateful.
So, guys, any chance I'm gonna get a phone for my birthday?
Oh, poor thing. No, you're too young.
Yeah, I figured you were gonna say that, but when do you think I will be old enough to have a phone?
You'll get one next year.
You literally say that every year.
No, we don't. In other news, today marks 16 years since billionaires Mr. and Mrs. Connor's baby daughter went missing.
Wait, that baby kind of looks like me.
In other news, today marks 16 years since billionaires Mr. and Mrs. Connor's baby daughter went missing.
Wait, that baby kind of looks like me.
If you have any information, we urge you to call this number. That can't be me. I'm just being delusional. We should give her back now. The reward is $1 million. But how do we get the reward money for her without them knowing we took her in the first place? Shh, let's talk about it over here.
The number on the TV. They said to call it if...
If you have any information, we urge you to call this number. I need a phone. I'll have to take Mom and Dad's. No, I just gotta call this number. No, I just gotta call this number. Oh, what the hell was that? You want to tell us why you were in our room? And why my phone is cracked?
I didn't think you guys saw me. I was just,
What is this? She knows we're not her parents. She was trying to call the number on the news, huh? Well, you know what? It's about time she found out. Surprised it took her this long. I mean, how could she never question how we all have different hair and eyes, and why we never let her on social media? I mean, come on.
You two are sick, and I am leaving.
No, you're not.
Now turn. We gotta make you look pretty for your billionaire mommy and daddy.
They'll be so happy.
And the final touch, a little bow. Aw, babe, isn't she so cute?
Your birth parents are offering a big reward for you, so you better not mess this up. Now, get into that box, and no talking. Now, get into that box, and no talking.
Richard, what in heavens did you order?
This box is not from... me.
What is going on? Read the note, it'll explain everything. Your prayers have been answered. Here is your biological daughter.
We have to send the $1 million reward to this number, or you die?
Yes, so please just wire it to them right now, and I'm so sorry about all of this.
Darling, this doesn't sound right.
I think we ought to just call the police.
Yes, darling, I agree.
No, please, no, police. I can prove to you that I'm your real daughter. I know how much is in your bank accounts. It's $2 billion exactly.
How do you know that?
Because I picked to see how much money were in my parents' bank account. It says if we don't send it, she will die. What if she is our daughter? Can you please just send them the money?
No, I have to call the police. I'm not sending anyone money. I have to call the police.
Wait!
No!
We have to get her to a hospital.
Doctor, is she going to be okay? Ma'am, we can't have you in here.
Mr. and Mrs. Connors, we have some good news. She's going to be okay, and we did the blood test as you requested, and it does look like she is your biological daughter.
Richard, did you hear that? I can't believe it.
Hi, darling, don't worry, everything is all right. Those horrible people have been put in prison. What's gonna happen to me now?
We're going to take care of you, love.
You are?
Yes, we found out you're actually our daughter.
I knew it. We never stopped looking for you. Your father and I missed you so much. We love you.
Hey, what's the matter?
No one's ever told me that before. Well, we'll be telling you that every day, love.
Now you get some rest.
And we'll be here when you wake up.
One? Well, at least he's popular.
Honey, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, just checking. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
I know it's been hard, but try to have a good day, okay?
I will.
Guys, it's about to be midnight.
I'm so nervous to see how many smiles I got.
It'll be a lot. You're the happiest person I know.
I hope so.
Oh, wait, it's happening right now. I have 1,000. What about you?
1.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I just won't smile.
Are you sure? I've never seen you sad. Hey, Bailey.
Hey, guys.
Whoa, what is wrong with you?
I only got 1 smile.
Oh, that sucks. I have 4,000. Wait, does that mean you can't smile, like, at all?
No, only the 1 time.
Ew, we can't hang out with you. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm sorry, I have to follow them. Don't listen to them. They're assholes. It's not your fault.
They were my only friends.
I'll be your only friend instead, then. Also, I might have a way of helping you out.
Why you gotta be so mean?
You need to stay away from my boyfriend. He's coming over and I know that you like him.
Maybe we got lost in translation?
Don't pretend like you don't know. I saw you flirting with him.
It must be exhausting always rooting for the anti-hero.
Oh, hey Bailey. I like your outfit today.
Lately I've been dressing for revenge.
I'm glad you're in a good mood. That made my day a little bit better.
Everything will be alright if you keep me next to you.
Wait, really? That's really sweet of you.
You belong with me.
To be honest, I'm in love with you, not your sister. I used her to get here.
Boys only want love if it's torture.
I knew it. I knew you were trying to steal my boyfriend this whole time.
There's nothing I do better than revenge.
How could you do this to me? You're my sister.
Don't blame me. Love made me crazy.
There is something seriously wrong with you, and you were done.
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me.
I was wondering if you guys have Christmas specials.
No, we do not have any Christmas specials. Sorry. Wait, aren't you that guy from yesterday?
I'm super late. I have to go. Goodbye. I hate people around the holidays.
Me too.
Dude, there's another gift for you, but you're gonna need 2 hands for this.
A guitar? Holy shit! I need to find out who's been giving me these, and I know that guy has something to do with it.
He left. What are you gonna do? Chase him down?
That's a good idea. Sir, wait.
Yes?
Who are you, and why have you been giving me presents?
It's not me, but I do know someone who can help you. Take this number and call them.
Why would I call this random phone number? Where did he go? I have nothing else to do. Hello?
Hello? Who is this?
Would you like any car insurance?
Salespeople again? Bye.
No, wait. I can't punch someone in the face. That is so mean. Wait, but for $1,000? Who's my victim? Hey sis.
Yeah, what's up?
Remember that one time you stole my white blouse and got hot sauce all over it?
Yeah, I remember that. I said sorry.
It's time for my payback.
Dude, you broke my nose!
Yes, I'm rich. What's next? I want to buy myself a Chanel bag. You want me to cut someone's ponytail off? I'm sorry, but for 10K, I have to. Mom, I'm so sorry for what I'm about to do.
What? What do you mean? Did you just cut all my hair off?
Yeah, looks like it.
If I have to be bald, so do you.
I'm sorry. What? I can't do that. I'm gonna get arrested. I'll help you finish the challenge if you give me half the prize money. Hi, beautiful. I'm gonna be doing my whole face of makeup using only filters. Starting with eyebrows using this filter. I feel like my eyebrows are close to this already. We're done with brows. Let's move on. You already knew what I was gonna do for contour. My head is definitely a rectangle. I'm built like a Fruit Loops box. This is almost exactly how I normally do it. I feel like it's gonna look really good. Time for some freckles. Let's see what we get. I guess I won't be wearing this makeup outside my house. This is actually not that easy. I picked the random Halloween eyeliner for some spice. Of course, it gave me the most difficult one. I have no idea if this looks good or not. I should have done eyeshadow first, but all right. One of my friends just asked me to hang out. Not right now. Lastly, we are doing some random lips. Come on. Should I send a picture to my crush like this? Okay, and this is our final look from all of those filters combined. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think I'm gonna go outside the house. I kind of killed it. I think I did a good job. Ooh, a button.
No, don't press that.
Why not?
Nobody knows what it does and we're not allowed to press it.
Why is it there then?
I don't know why it's there, but you're not gonna be the one to find out.
What if it's like $1 million?
Or what if it literally ends the world? You need to go to school and don't press it while you're there, okay?
Okay, I won't.
I heard that someone got rich from pressing it last year.
What are you guys talking about?
What the button does, we all wanna know. Someone told me that it's like a genie and if you press it, you get 3 wishes. Hey Bailey, I'll give you $100 if you press the button right now.
Make it 200 and you got a deal.
Easy, you got yourself a deal. You're not really gonna press the button, right?
Yeah, what's the worst that could happen?
Nobody knows, and that's why you don't press it.
We'll be fine.
Does that say what I think it says? Oh my god, we're all gonna die!
I can't believe you're failing math.
What is this?
You are an absolute foul daughter, an embarrassment to this family.
I've had enough of that.
So class, when 1 + 1 = 4, you multiply by 6, then carry the a to the b.
I need a nap to process this information. You know, it wouldn't hurt to have a look around. What's this? This is all the answers!
How did you do so well in math today?
I guess you could say I am a math wizard.
You are literally terrible at math.
Hold that thought. Kevin's coming.
Hey, why'd you pause it?
How can you...
I saw what you did in math today.
What? How did you see me steal the answers? I was paused. And how are you talking to me right now? I'm paused.
I don't know how or why, but I have the same ability as you. Also, I need those answers for math.
What? No, I'm failing.
I have a picture of you stealing the book. Give it to me or I'm going to report you.
Fine.
Where did Kevin go? He was just here.
Kevin's stupid and I don't like him anymore. Kevin. Kevin! So Kevin, I thought maybe if you wanted to be a nice guy, we could share the answers.
Of course we can. For $50.
Deal. Homework is all done.
Code red. Code red. There is an unknown stranger in the building. This is not a drill. Oh my goodness, what are we gonna do? Everyone, quickly, hide. Hey, why'd you pause it?
Come on, Kevin. You and I are gonna go find this jerk.
No, I'm not going. Let's wait for the police.
Yeah, and by the time the police gets here, who knows what damage he could do?
You can't play hero. This is real life.
Fine. Suit yourself. Coward.
Hey, wait!
Where is that jerk?
I see someone over there. Come quick. That's the guy.
I don't understand. He's still moving around. How is that possible? We're paused.
We should go back. He must have the same ability as us. It's not safe here.
No way. I'm going to...
It's you two. You're the ones I've been looking for. Come with me.
Police! Police, hurry! I'm not paused anymore. I don't hear any sirens.
Calm down. I mean no harm. I've been sent here to protect you two.
Protect us from what?
There's people after you two. The ability you were given is very rare. Only a handful of people have it. They want to use you.
What? Main character's best friend? I am definitely main character material. Hey, bestie! Looks like you're the main character, and I'm just your sidekick.
No way. You're way more than that. These
快
roles
手
are
拥抱
ridiculous.
每一
The
种生
roles for
活
the。school play are out! Ensemble.
Oh my goodness, I got the lead!
Yeah, of course you did. Bestie, look over there, it's Brad, head of the school football team. He is so dreamy.
Did you see his role? It's the main character's love interest.
It is?
Yeah, but don't worry, I don't even like him.
Really? I'm gonna go talk to him. Hey, Brad.
Who are you? Here, give my number to your friend over there. She's beautiful.
Sure.
How'd it go?
Great, he gave me his number.
Nice, I'm going to practice.
Wait! Can I do your makeup first? Makeup's almost done, just one final touch. I put something special in this just for you.
It's burning really bad.
Yeah, it's supposed to do that. I can't believe I just did that. I really let the jealousy get the better of me. What? Villain? I am not the villain.
Hey, did you hear? Angela's in the hospital. They found poison in her system.
That means she's still... Is she okay?
Yeah, they said she's gonna make a full recovery. We should all go visit her in the hospital.
No! I'll go alone. I'm her best friend. Angela, how are you doing? I brought you some chocolate.
You. It's you. I know what you did.
No!
What's wrong, Holly?
My soulmate, Jared, he's 80% nice and 20% naughty, but that still means he's gonna be on the naughty list.
He is the son of Jack Frost.
But Winky, he saved my life last year. He's been nice. Plus, I think he's gonna propose to me soon. Holly, your father wants to talk to you. Yes, Dad?
Is it true that Jared is thinking of proposing?
Well, he's sort of been hinting at it.
He needs to be 100% nice before Christmas.
But Dad, Christmas is only a few days away.
If he is not off the naughty list, then you can't be together. I used my ice powers to make that for you. I hope you like it.
I love it, Jared. Thank you.
Hey, watch this.
No, Jared! You can't be using your ice powers like that.
Why not? It's funny.
Because you're still 20% naughty. And my dad said if you don't get on the nice list by Christmas, we can't be together anymore.
What? I have to get a 100% nice score?
Yeah, I'm sorry. My dad is super strict.
We have to be together. We're soulmates. Plus, I'm more nice than I am naughty.
I think my dad's just afraid that you're gonna turn into a supervillain just like your dad, Jack Frost.
I won't. And I'm gonna get a 100% score just for you.
Well, if it isn't Santa's little daughter. Who are you? The Tooth Fairy's daughter, and I'm gonna be the one to marry Jared, not you. What? Nighty-night. Holly, wake up.
Is this dental floss?
Yep, and it's really strong, so you won't be getting free. Now to turn into you.
Huh?
Just watch me work my magic.
Ta-da! Why are you doing this? I had a crush on Jared first, so I'm gonna make him misbehave so you two can never be together. He's gonna know it's not me. We'll see about that.
I'll be back to check on you later.
No, his score is going down. What is she having him do? No, his score went down again. It's getting really cold in here. He has to notice that it's not me. Jared, look, here comes another person. Make them slip and fall with your ice powers.
No, this just feels mean now.
Oh, please, Jared, we were just messing around.
You sure your dad doesn't mind if I act naughty?
Yes, I told you, he doesn't care anymore. Now, Jared, what do you say you and I be really naughty, and we can go to your place, and you can unwrap me like a little Christmas present?
Nah, you're not Holly.
What? Of course I am.
My soulmate would never say... Is that a purple streak in your hair?
No.
Hey, are those wings?
Dang it, the magic is wearing off.
Where is she?
I'm not telling. Ow! You know, you're gonna make your nice score go down.
It's going down a lot more if you don't.
Okay, wait, I'll show you where she is. Just follow me.
Holly! Holly, come on, wake up! I don't like this, come on!
Oh no, I think the blizzard killed her.
No, how long has she been in here?
Over 5 hours, and your ice powers aren't gonna be much help to her.
She needs someone who could warm her up. I think I know just the guy. Please, Mr. Heatmiser, you have to save my soulmate.
Wait a minute, aren't you Jack Frost's son?
Yes, and this is Santa's daughter. Can you please help her? She's been out in a blizzard for hours.
I'll see what I can do. But if you're really Jack Frost's son, you should leave. This place will kill you.
Not until I know she's okay.
There, that should have helped her.
Holly,
Jared?
you're okay.
Wait, what's wrong?
The heat, it's too hot. I can't get up.
Please, Mr. Heatmiser, you have to help me.
If I touch him, I'll only make him worse.
It's okay, Holly. All that matters is that you're safe.
Jared, you reached 100% on your niceness score. We can get married.
You can't give up on me now.
I'm sorry. I don't think he's going to make it. I'm sorry. I don't think he's going to make it.
Holly? Jared, do you need some help?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's get him up. Okay, we got him back in the snow. Now we just have to wait and hope he wakes up.
快手，
You really
拥抱
love
每
him, don't
一
you?
种生
With
活。
all my heart.
Jared,
Holly,
you okay?
yeah, never better. Jared, you were willing to sacrifice yourself to save my daughter. So, you have my full blessing to marry her. Thank you, Mr. Claus. That means a lot. Looks like you both are on the nice list. And do you take Jared Frost to be your husband?
I do.
Well then, I now pronounce you officially Mr. and Mrs. Frost.
Jared, what did I tell you about making it snow inside the house?
Babe, this isn't me.
But if you're not using your powers, then...
No way! Looks like baby Crystal is taken up after me.